chocolate cake. So to make this chocolate cake, we've got this premix. We have 2 eggs, we have some butter, and we also have some lactose milk. And we're gonna create a very yummy chocolate cake and show you how you can also do it at home. First step to make our chocolate cake is pouring in the cake mix. Kaya, would you like to go?
Yeah.
So you hold it with 2 hands.
Yeah.
2 hands. Go put the hand up. Good boy. And you pour it in.
Wow.
Wow. Good job, Kaya. Shake, shake, shake. Good boy.
Wow.
Perfect. High five. Good job. And next step is we have to crack an egg. Can we count? 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Wow.
Wow.
We win.
And we'll do the same for the second one.
Win.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Wow.
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 My next step is we're going to pour in 2/3 milk. Would you like to pour it in, Kyra? Great job. So pour it right into the bowl. Great work. So we've now poured in the 3 teaspoons of butter. So now we're just going to mix, and the children are also going to have a mix.
Yeah. Chocolate.
Kaya, would you like your turn? Yeah. So mix, 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 mix.
That's my turn.
Then yes, you can have a turn too, Hunter.
My turn too.
Of course, we're going to go round in the circle. Good boy.